This is a first. This dude just landed on our deck. Now he doesn't know how to get off. The crows were taking dog food, but this guy, he's like, I've been here for, well, 8 months now, and never once. These crows, they come and see me every day. But this guy took a shot at it. Now he's hooped. He'll be fine. He'll figure it out, but that's what greed does for you. Yeah, these crows, I give them all my old moldy bread, and this big shithawk, he thought, well, I'm gonna get whatever they're getting. Oh, now he's right behind my. He's not the smartest one, I'll tell you that. He'll figure it out in a minute. He just has to fly straight up, but he just hasn't figured it out. Fly, motherfucker, fly. Now, this is the dumbest seagull I ever saw in my life. you don't, you don't know what to do, eh, Tips? Tips is like, just let me go kill him. We're not gonna do that. Oh, now he just saw Tips, so now he's freaking out. Hey, Tips, go sit down. Hey, go sit down. Go sit down. We don't want to scare him too much, because he'll hurt himself. But I'm going to go out and, well, if he doesn't figure this out, I'll go scoop him up. But he just can't understand the screen on the deck. Hey, be careful, I got a killer seagull here. I don't know, he just came on the deck, he won't leave. Well, he's trying to leave, but... Fly away, my friend, fly away. I gotta put my sandals on. Stay. All right, buddy. Yep, stay. The only problem is the fucker's gonna bite me. Tips, stay. He landed in here, but all right, buddy. Come on. Tips, stay. There you go, buddy.
There.
All right.
Seagull. Good job. Way to go, Darren.
Fuck you, man.